Do you want to learn how to easily make garlic butter that is full of fresh herbs? A homemade garlic butter recipe that is a quick and easy way to add loads of flavor to your favorite dishes. Hey there, I'm London Brazil from evolvingtable.com, where you'll learn how to make nourishing meals to serve the ones you love. And today I'll be teaching you how to make this garlic and herb butter recipe. Oftentimes I find that when I'm making a side dish or even main dishes, they just don't have enough flavor. And to be honest, pulling out a cutting board, chopping up a bunch of fresh herbs just seems like way too much of a hassle. So I normally just grab a pinch of salt and call it a day. But what if we actually had a log of this delicious and flavorful garlic and herb butter just waiting for us in the fridge? And all you had to do was grab a tablespoon or two to give your favorite dishes a burst of flavor. So if you're ready to get to garlic herb butter making, then come on in and let's get started. Since butter is the star of the show in this recipe, we'll be using a higher quality butter. Both Kerrygold and Plugra are wonderfully creamy and flavorful butters. Both of these can normally be found in your local grocery store. If you can't find the higher quality butters in your grocery store, a regular butter will still work great. Also, you can choose between a salted or an unsalted butter. The salt helps to naturally enhance the flavor of the herbs, but an unsalted butter can be used if you are limiting your sodium intake. Cut and measure half a cup or 8 tablespoons of butter. You'll want to make sure the butter has come completely to room temperature before mixing it with the garlic and the herbs. If you are pressed for time, you can microwave the butter for 10 to 15 seconds. Just make sure you pay close attention so it does not melt. One of the best things about this garlic and herb butter recipe is the amount of variety that it has. There are a ton of different herb and flavor combinations that you can try. A few of my favorites include fresh dill, parsley, and lemon zest to be added to seafood or roasted potatoes. Finely chopped cilantro and lime zest for fajitas or chicken. Basil and oregano to add an Italian flair to a toasted baguette. Or what we'll be using here today, a bit of rosemary, thyme, and curly leaf parsley. In general, you'll want to use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh herbs per half cup of butter that you make. The best way to chop herbs is to use a dry cutting board and a very sharp knife. Make sure that you finely chop the herbs so they can evenly disperse throughout the butter. Our butter is at room temperature, the herbs are finely chopped, so now it's just time to mix it all together. In a medium-sized bowl, cream half cup of butter with a fork until smooth. Add 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, or 2 to 3 tablespoons of your preferred fresh herbs. Stir ingredients together until mixed. Use a spatula to fully incorporate the ingredients. Place the butter on a piece of wax paper that is about 12 inches long. Wax paper works better than parchment paper since it is thinner and will roll more easily. Pull wax paper over the garlic butter and begin to roll it. Reinforce the log shape and smooth it out as you go. Once completely rolled up, twist the ends until tight. I tend to make my logs about 4 inches long, so half an inch equals 1 tablespoon. Now we'll just pop this garlic butter into our refrigerator for about 2 hours or until it is firmed up. This garlic butter will last for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator or up to 6 months in the freezer. Oh man, I can't wait to try this out. This garlic and herb butter tastes incredible when served on a filet mignon, with roasted vegetables, or my favorite, on a toasted baguette. Oh yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, that is so good. And wasn't that so quick and easy to just grab a little bit of that garlicky goodness? If you liked what you saw here today, make sure you check out these other quick and easy ways to add a ton of flavor to your favorite dishes. And don't forget to give it a big ol' thumbs up below. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another nourishing meal to serve your loved ones. See you again soon.